Sexual offense is a term which needs no new introduction, and especially if it's India. But as much as people seem to be aware of this criminal practice, the more the situation seems to deteriorate. Nothing left to be done and no awareness left to be raised. But these crime reports forget to plunge with the passage of time. Welcome to the second episode of the series Crime Talks with me Vikram Upadhyay, only on the Northeastern Chronicle. This episode will take you all to a heinous crime that took place in Assam's Biswanath district. In the tea estate, a dead body of a nearly 5-year-old girl child buried under the pool was recovered in an inappropriate condition. It took very less time to conclude to the fact that the little girl was brutally raped and murdered at the jungle site. The dead body of the victim was examined and sent for post-mortem findings by the local police. The family of the girl filed a police complaint. The police held one by the name Mangal Paik and later, with his confession, recovered the body. Mangal, being a relative of the little girl, came to her house and lured her in the pretext of giving her chocolates and committed this heinous crime at the jungle site. The accused, Mangal Paik, hails from Lakhara Buragaon Tea Garden under Saridwar Police Station in Sonitpur district. This is indeed disheartening fact that most of the times the ones that commit such crimes are those people who we know very properly or are very close to. The loyalty and the trust that we reflect on people without judging the whereabouts do lead to shattered impression of individuals. National Crime Reports Bureau 2020 data revealed that Assam tops the list of states in rate of crime against women. The crime rate of Assam in 2018 was 166 as compared to the national average of 58.8. Hope emerges out of every situation, and this case was no exception. On December 21, 2020, Biswanath Additional District Session and Judge Court ordered death sentence under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act to the convicted man. Though the case required 2 long years of patience and wait, but at the last it resulted in the fruitful outcome. There are proposals laid for the approval of exclusive fast-track courts for trials of cases related to sexual offences which require immediate and proper judgment. This is what we had in store today. We promise to bring you more such crime reports in the following episodes. Till then, keep watching the Northeastern Chronicle.